Hi, my name is Steve Nobura. I just came to one of my big rehabbing projects in northwest of Chicago. I bought this property a while ago. First contractor, he's from Poland. He took money and he did some small work and then he's gone. He went back to Poland. I can't reach him. Then I hired second contractor. Second contractor, same thing. Okay, he did some small work and then he doesn't come anymore. Okay, I'm using the third contractor. Then he's doing pretty good. Since 3 months ago, we made a lot of progress. Therefore, I gotta show you what we have done so far. Okay. So I'm standing in the living room. First of all, I have to say something about second floor. Okay, I'm gonna show you second floor soon. But this was originally first floor and a small attic. Therefore, we chopped the second floor completely, and we built that second floor addition. Therefore, we have a big second floor. I'm standing in the living room, and if you come into the living room, if you come into the house, okay, you can see big living space, and you can see the kitchen. Okay, then you can see all the way to the back side of the house, right? And this is a, okay, we have a box here, but this is a one bedroom, and then this is a half bath. Then this is a kitchen area. Okay, this is a part of the peninsula. We're gonna make a kitchen from here all the way to this way. Then, okay, we're gonna put the refrigerator here, and then kitchen cabinet start from here. Then we're gonna put the dishwasher and sink and stove. Then we're gonna put the microwave under the peninsula or somewhere on the wall. And this is a quite big kitchen space. Then here, this side, we're gonna make a dining space. Okay, for first floor. If you come into the house, okay, living space, kitchen, dining, and then bedroom, half bath. Okay, this is the first floor. Let's go second floor. This is the second floor. I'm standing in the entrance of the master bedroom. This is the master bed, and then this side is the master bath. And then we have a walk-in closet. Okay, master bed. It's a good size. Okay, and we're gonna put the window on this side. Then maybe bed is gonna be from here to this way. Therefore, we're gonna put the one outlet on the wall. And then we have 4 can lights and 1 mount light on the center. Then if you go inside of this master bath, okay, on this side there's a 2 double sink. Then this toilet. Then of course we have nice 2 lights here. And this is a jacuzzi. Okay, nice jacuzzi bathtub. Okay. This is a master bed, a master bath. And then here. It's a walk-in closet. Okay. All right, then second floor, as I said, okay, we didn't have this kind of second floor at all. We just we added on this second floor. Then this is the hallway. Then we're gonna make one small closet here. Then this side, we have this is a bathroom for other bedrooms. Okay. If you come in, it's a single sink, toilet. And then this is the regular bathtub. Okay. Then if you come this way, we have 2 other bedrooms. Okay. One is here. Okay. We have 2 big windows. Then this is another bedroom. We have 1, 2, 3 windows. This is facing the street. Okay. Therefore, it's almost a little bit smaller than master bed, but it's a good size of bedrooms. If you look at the ceiling, we already finished entire HVAC work. Okay. Electrical work is done, plumbing work is done, the HVAC work is done on the first floor and second floor. Okay, let's go to the basement. Okay, this is the basement. Okay, originally we had a little bit higher basement floor that we dig some maybe 1 feet deep. Then we just put on the dirt, but along the walls we installed drain tiles so that we don't have any water coming up from the ground. Also, if you look at this pipe, this is the main drain, and this is the main drain coming from the second floor, first floor, everything connecting with this, and then going through this way to the street. Okay, then this is a plan. Okay, here, okay, when you come in, on my side, okay, right side, this is a UTT room. We're gonna put the hot water tank, furnace, and laundry. Then here, this is an open space. Maybe we can say that this is a family space. Toward the end of this space, we're going to make a small office space. Okay, then this is a beam. Okay, dividing this beam On this side, we're gonna make a small bedroom, maybe 14 by 9, a small bedroom, and then we're gonna make a one full bath on this side. Then here we have a ladder here, but we're gonna make a stairs from the first floor to the basement. Therefore, stairs coming this way, and then landing space and coming to this way. Okay, and then this we have some extra space. Maybe we can make some storage in the basement. Right now we are waiting for the city inspection. Okay, if we pass the city inspection, we're gonna put more dirt, and then we're gonna put the concrete on the basement. Then after that, we're gonna finish the rest of the plumbing work. Then we're gonna install electrical conduit and then HVAC work too. Then, in the rehabbing project, always those 3 items. Okay, plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. This is the most time-consuming project. After we pass those 3, rest of the project is going to be pretty fast. I can show you the next time.